you will be at your peak. But sometimes you have to tweak your settings to still shoot in the hot sun because you can get a wedding in the hot day. So you have to know what you're doing as a photographer. So my tip when you're shooting in the hot sun, always look on your lighting. Your lighting is very, very important. So it's great for you to find a nice shade when shooting. It's not advisable to shoot in the overcast sun. So that's my tip.
Ready?
Yeah guys, so as you can see the water look good. Would I want to take a dip right now? See there?
I throw everything if it's on in our face. Go look good.
Alright.
So what I was basically trying to explain a while ago. So if you have to shoot in the hot sun, always make sure that the sun is not shining into your face. Because it's gonna be very difficult in post processing. So always try to avoid that.
Oh. Deforestation. Bang idle. Alright.
Oh, help me.
You ready again?
Yeah. Ready?
Ooh.
Look on the camera, I'm doing something for the extra. Just a little bit wrong. Yeah. Make the man pass. Cardigan pass.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just young downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
It give me like one little, you know, like one little tunnel vibes.
Yeah.
It give me the vibes there. We're taking pictures. If I even find a rock here or something.
You can lean up somewhere so tomorrow.
Find a fence or something.
Run this, I can go on.
You just extra with this and that, we can.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you. Choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
Ready? Never flash. Go on again. Yeah, flash now. Yeah, put one on them somewhere else, man. Yeah.
So bringing back one of them?
Yeah, put it on your leg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something look. I say if you push out yourself when you take a picture.
Two girls suck the dick, yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, flash.
Alright. Put on into foot them now. Like you have that one, so yeah. Ready? Flash. Do something nice, man. Just gain an element, yeah.
Use your hand and sweep your ear or something.
That's video now.
Yeah. Thank you. Sure. That look good.
Yeah, this nice.
It does sure.
Let's see next one.
My pose.
Ready to go for the rock? Not charging on no deer price. We want to get a steal, you know. We want to get some nice picture of earth.
Today my birthday, so that's